Assalamualaikum and Salam Sejahtera and good morning to all. My name is Nurul Syamimi Binti and I'm currently a final year student of Food Science and Technology UITM Kuala Pilah. So today I will love to share my knowledge and information about my study regarding nam-nam plants. Before that, have you ever heard about nam-nam plants? I bet some of you have never heard about this plant. So in this video, I will be explain more about the nam-nam plant. Nam-nam also called as a namu-namu, namo-namo and putih anjing by the local in Indonesia. Meanwhile, in Kelantan and Terengganu, the name is as a nam-nam. While in Peninsular Malaysia, it's called as the katak puru, and in Sabah, the local recognize it as the kantong-kantong. The scientific name of this nam-nam is Cynometra cauliflora. For your information, this nam-nam plant tree is a tiny and densely branched. Meanwhile, the flowers are tiny and appear in axillary radimus robust trunk. The special about this plant is as the flower is at the robust trunk, so the fruit is developed in the robust trunk and in the robust trunk also as one of the edible part of the plant. Fruit is oblique and kidney shape with the rough and knobby wrinkled surface. It has a greenish to the brown and yellow and dull appearance of the color. Because of the fruits Because of the skin of the fruits look like the skin fraud, that is why it is called as katapuru by the local. When in mature, the flesh is kind of the sour, but when it ripe, it becomes soury sweet and tender. The way that we can eaten is to remove the skins, and it's best when eaten at the immature part. So let's move for the second part of my sharing, which is I will be talking about the phytochemical found in nam-nam plant. More than 10,100 compounds has been discovered and many of them are still unidentical. For example, phytochemical like saponin, tannins and flavonoids are found in numerous areas of the plant, including the mature leaf, young leaf, and bark and also stem that contribute to the plant's biological activities potential. So today I will be focused on the flavonoid found in nam-nam plants. Flavonoids has been linked to improve the animals and human health, and it used in pharmaceuticals treatment and also prevention of a disease is currently being explored. Flavonoid is a natural product that belong to a group of plant secondary metabolites with a polyphenolic structure that can be found in variety of vegetables, fruits and also drinks. It also reported can affect the immune system activities in the intestines. Other than that, by blocking the allergic reactions, flavonoids can reduce the degranulations of a different type of cells. I will move to the third part of my sharing, which is biological activity that have relationship with the flavonoids in nam-nam. Biological activity of flavonoids in nam-nam are reported involved in antioxidant, antiviral and also anti-diabetic activity. The first biological activity is antioxidant. Antioxidant is a substance that inhibits the oxidation of other molecules. Flavonoids has long been known as antioxidants because they can protect against the free radical damage. Flavonoids are antioxidant rich, providing our bodies with natural immunological defense against the deadly environment and endogenous poison. Therefore, there is no specific finding that stated both apigenin quercetin, which is flavonoid in nam-nam, can modulate the immune system, but the action of many antioxidant activity for this compound has been reported.
Next is antiviral. Antiviral known to prevent the viruses from the binding and infect healthy cell by blocking the receptor. Flavonoid like apigenin and Binti are natural phytochemicals that have antiviral properties that are effective against various disease-causing viruses, inhibiting viral infection at many stages. Viruses are responsible for various diseases, including the flu and herpes. It can also assist the immune system in fighting off a viral infection by boosting the immune system. Apart from that, it can decrease the rate of infection, which is amount of activated virus in our body. The last one is anti-diabetic. One of the most prescribed oral diabetes medication is alpha-glucosidase inhibitor. Flavonoids are known as a potent alpha-glucosidase inhibitors in addition to their other pharmacological effects. As a result, alpha-glucosidase inhibitor will slow the glucose absorption and lower the postprandial blood glucose and insulin level, then reducing the hyperglycemia. Diabetes-related hyperglycemia is hypothesis to impair the immune system ability to control the spread of invading infection in diabetic patients.
I will move to the next part, which is I will share with you guys the extraction of flavonoid from nam-nam in controlling chronic disease. The biological activity of flavonoid are responsible in anti-diabetic, in antiviral and antioxidants, in controlling chronic disease like HSV1 infections, blood glucose reduction, and also cardiovascular disease.
Extraction of nam-nam in controlling chronic disease. First, in HSV1 infection, evidence show the extract nam-nam on HSV1 treatment most effective when administered as a post-treatment. As a conclusion, they suggested that crude extract prepared from nam-nam contain antiviral active compound and could be a potential antiviral agent. Second, in the blood sugar reduction, the extraction of flavonoid from nam-nam can inhibit the alpha-glucosidase. As a conclusion, the extraction of nam-nam can reduce the blood sugar level and has a potential as anti-diabetic agent. In cardiovascular disease, nam-nam extract has a potential as antioxidant component have been claimed to have protective antioxidant component that could be utilized to treat the variety of chronic disease including cardiovascular disease as a free radical scavengers, singlet oxygen quencher or metal ion challenger and hydrogen donating chemical because of their function as protective impact. And also it can act as a natural antioxidant that gives the less negative effect in atherosclerosis treatment. It can be concluded that taxifolin 3 or arabinofuranoside compound in nam-nam has a good potential as antioxidant supplement to lower the cardiovascular disease.
As conclusion, reviewing the underutilized plant can help to promote their benefit to the community and strengthen the scientific evidence of their health promoting effects. Furthermore, discovering this indigenous tropical fruit can assist the farmer, researcher and industry in recognizing the opportunity of this native fruit. No specific article that claim the flavonoid in nam-nam can modulate in chronic disease, but there are many studies show correlated function of flavonoid in nam-nam for controlling chronic disease like lowering blood glucose and cardiovascular disease and anti-diabetic and antioxidant. There is still limited research on the biological activity of nam-nam flavonoid that can influence the immune response. Thus, more study on the role of nam-nam flavonoids in the treatment of chronic disease is necessary. This is due to the high level of flavonoids, which are rarely used, should not waste their function as health supplement and food product. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching.